We're living in a world of incredible change. The world has never changed at a more rapid rate. How do we make sure that we here in Western Australia position ourselves as best as we possibly can for the future generations?
I've come today to learn about the current emerging industry trends, and the keynote speakers today, I've enjoyed every single one of them. I've got something significant from every single one. Particularly liked the gap in digital literacy. I was not aware of that, so I've got a far greater awareness and something I can take back to help support some of our students with. I particularly like the emerging trends in using assistive technology, sim labs, virtual classrooms, and the use of multiple techniques to train our students. So I'll be taking that back and disseminating that to most of our staff, and looking forward, certainly going to put that into some of our strategic planning.
We're here at the LearnTech Perth conference because we feel that there's been a lack of the sorts of conferences that L&D professionals can partake of and increase their knowledge. There are a number of HR shows, but the L&D space hasn't been particularly well served. So it's congratulations to the organisation putting this together, which is absolutely fantastic.
We're really excited to be here as part of LearnTech. It's such a fantastic opportunity to come out into Western Australia. LearnTech is an excellent opportunity to connect with stakeholders both in education, in schools, and also with corporate.
Education really has a power to lift people up, take them to the new heights, and take them out of the poverty sometimes, or give them the skills and knowledge they require to success in life. And the challenge is such that we have to upskill our teachers, our trainers. We have to make sure that those who matters the most are also equipped with the right knowledge and expertise before we go to the highly tech-led education sector.
This is a fantastic seminar, of course. Presentations, they were so great, so live. There were things that I knew existed, then of course now I know they exist. So I know that I can use them. And I'm seriously thinking about how I can implement some of what I have learned. A lot of things I learned.
Coming to LearnTech, it's awesome, like the exposure that we're getting to people that are involved in that learning and training space. So I guess this is such a great opportunity, and it's so unique where you're getting a group of people like this together, connecting with the right people, I guess, and just getting exposure to what else is out there and just letting people know what we have to offer.
I think the biggest thing or takeaway for us is the industry or area that we operate in is predominantly high risk, and so our learning and assessment requirements is predominantly practical, hands-on based, somewhat not wanting to go into the VR space initially, but to see a number of the exhibitors, the talks, the dealings with the people here today, I really think there's some vital and definitely effective components that we can integrate into our organisation and the industry as a whole. So really impressed.
And being part of this conference as a silver sponsor gives us a chance to not only support our existing customers who are here today, particularly DOJ, but hopefully we can talk to many others about the experiences that we provide.
One of the fantastic reasons we wanted to come out to WA is because there's just so much potential here to work with so many different organisations across so many different industries.
Like day to day, it's quite easy just to have your head buried into your work. You're so busy that it's hard to find out about new emerging technologies and what else is actually out there and what's new. So yeah, it's been a great opportunity. It's been a great day as well.
I think today is really worth the time that I spent.